everyone, it's Liv, and today I wanted to give you a sneak peek into my cookbook, Liv B's Vegan on a Budget. I created this book so that anyone could pick it up and be able to cook from it. A lot of times with vegan recipes, they have a mile-long ingredients list and they take a lot of time, or they use ingredients that are hard to find or are something that you might buy once and then never use again. In my book, I created recipes that don't take a ton of time, use minimal ingredients that aren't expensive, and are easy to find. The book has 112 budget-conscious vegan recipes. There are 7 chapters, each with a mix of sweet and savory and healthy and comfort food recipes. The first chapter has all of the sauces and staples that I use on a regular basis that will bring your vegan meals to a whole new level. Things like marinara sauce, stir-fry sauce, dipping sauces, crispy tofu cubes, and sausage crumbles that are perfect for tacos, pizzas, and pastas. Then we have the incredible breakfast and brunch chapter, which is packed with easy but also decadent sweet and savory breakfast options. Whether you're heading out the door and need a quick smoothie, or you want to take some time to make some brunch for friends, this chapter has you covered. There's an amazing snack chapter with things like warm, gooey, cheesy nachos, and delicious dips like 5-minute guacamole and spicy mango salsa that will definitely become your go-to for parties and gatherings. And we can't forget soups. I've included a bunch of easy soup recipes like the takeout Thai coconut curry soup. In this chapter, I also give you some delicious sides like the sweet sriracha roasted cauliflower. We also have a chapter for sandwiches, wraps, and salads with some classics like a Caesar salad, and also hearty portable recipes like the barbecue stuffed tofu pitas. In the mains chapter, we have everything from tacos to pastas to rice bowls and curry. It includes all the foods and flavors you want to eat while keeping in mind your time and budget. And of course, the last chapter, possibly my favorite, is the sweets. It has so many delicious vegan baked goods and treat recipes, some of which are family recipes that were passed down, like carrot cake with cream cheese frosting or peach cobbler, but some are my favorite creations like chocolate raspberry mini cakes, edible cookie dough, and birthday vanilla cupcakes. I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on a copy of my book, and if you want to check it out, there is a link below, or you can go to itslivb.com/cookbook. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you soon.